Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. I'm Nancy, and this time I'm going to show you how to do a STEAM project, and it's about making some little boats. But make sure that you're picking up your little craft kit. You can pick it up outside at curbside, 9 to 1, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and 2 to 6, Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you're getting that, and also that you're filling out your log so you can get prizes for reading. So this week, we're looking at ships and do they float and what makes them float faster kind of thing. So what you'll need is a straw, egg carton, aluminum foil, and then some paper to make some shapes. And this is kind of what we're looking for. This one I chose to do a little triangle for. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out the individual little egg containers on the bottom. You want just an individual one. Then you'll take a square of aluminum foil and you're just going to wrap that whole bottom and just kind of tuck it in on the top so that the entire bottom is covered. You want to make sure that you do that because otherwise the water may seep into your boat and it will definitely sink. And that would have been terrible if Christopher Columbus, when he was on his journey, had sunk. This right here is just a little modeling clay. You can use a little Play-Doh, any kind of thing, just a little something just to hold your straw. This is just a straw cut in half. I'm sticking it into the modeling clay like that. And then I'm going to attach, I think we'll try the circle this time. And then I'm just taping my shape to my straw. Just like that. And now, which do you think goes faster? So my hypothesis, or my guess at which one is going to go faster, is this one. Just because I kind of like the color green and I kind of like the triangle like a sailboat. But who knows, maybe the red circle will go faster. So I just have a pan of water. You could also do this in your bathtub or your sink. And I'm just going to put them in. And let's see. Ooh, well, they're floating. That's good. Which one do you think will go faster? Let's blow and see. Well, clearly I chose the wrong hypothesis. Mine failed because the red boat went faster. Which one of yours goes faster? Let us know. And again, make sure you pick up your craft at curbside. Thanks for watching. See you soon.